um, um, dork horses, because we're all dorks.
Hello, and welcome to Dork Courses, your one-stop shop for fast, common-sense explanation on the topics that you want to learn about. Because we're all dorks. My name is Chris Pennon, and I'm your instructor on this course titled How to Use a Computer for the Old, Dumb, and Technologically Impaired. My goal here at Dork Courses is to get you learning and up to speed as fast as humanly possible, using a common-sense approach to teaching and understanding. So who am I and what's my experience? Well, basically, I'm a systems administrator who's worked for several companies in South Florida, and I have 20 years of experience in information technology. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to guide you through this course, which is going to teach you one of the most important skills that you can have in this day and age, which is how to use a computer to do the most common tasks that everybody should really know how to do in the year 2025. Why did I make this course? Well, because during my career, I've come across many people from all different walks of life who just find it difficult, daunting, and challenging to use a computer. And a lot of the time, they have a clear concept of what they want to accomplish. Say, for example, they want to pay their electric bill or even like automate their payments at the end of every month, but they just don't have any clue of how to go about it or how to proceed forward. Furthermore, and to my surprise, even smart people with advanced degrees, some of which are like C-level executives, don't even know how to perform even the most basic tasks on a computer. So this is kind of like a public service to help those in need or those who just need a push in the right direction. I also made this course because I was shocked and flabbergasted that you can't find any other course like this on Google or on YouTube or anywhere else online. In fact, most of the resources that I found were tailored to technical and in-depth IT and technologically related teachings rather than real life common sense instructions on basic and daily routine administrative tasks that one would perform on a computer. So I decided to make this course that would teach these critically important concepts and to benefit all. Why is it important to know how to use a computer? Well, it's important to know how to use a computer because we live in the year 2025 and everything is computers nowadays. You want to apply for a job? You have to apply online on a computer. You want to purchase an item? Most likely that's going to be on the computer. You want to pay your water bill? You'll need a computer for that. You want to communicate with your cousin who lives in Sri Lanka? Well, you can email or instant message or video call, all of which is going to require a computer. You want to learn how to make pottery? A computer is going to help you with that. You want to see art, watch movies, play video games, draw, paint, or create something? Well, most likely you're going to be utilizing a computer in one way, shape, or form. Most importantly, the point is, a computer is going to help you manage your day-to-day administrative tasks that are essential in life. So what will you learn in this course? You're going to learn the essential skills required to perform the tasks that I just mentioned. And we're going to dive straight into the material. We're going to get you up and running as quickly as possible. The beginning lessons plan is as follows. Lesson 1, getting started and procuring a computer. Lesson 2, initial startup and powering on the computer for the first time. Lesson 3, the desktop. Lesson 4, folders. Lesson 5, workflow and logical outline thinking. And there's more lessons that are going to come along in the course, but I'm currently developing as I go. So that's the plan for here on out. I hope you can get as much out of this course as you can and that it benefits you in your day-to-day use of computers. That's it for this lesson. Be well and stay dorky.